Huwag kayo magpapagutom, masama yan. So maya-maya lamang po, so we're gonna do some live covers again. So I wish I could hear something from you guys. So how is your week? Kamusta ang inyong linggo matapos ang masayang Pasko at bagong taon? Matugo ba? Bakbakan ba? Ika nga nila. Ika nga ng mga OFWs natin dyan. So shoutout sa inyong lahat. Saludo po kami sa inyo for your hard work. Okay? And pag-usapan natin, ano ba ang mga experience nyo ngayong linggo? Biyahe, traffic, walang katapusang issue sa trabaho. Oh my God. Well, let's set aside those negativity. Let's exchange it with some positive vibes tulad ng aking tasa. No? Good vibes lang mga kapatid. No? Kalimutan niya ang mga negativity na yan. No? Let's start up, refresh, no? And let's move forward. So, official social media account natin sa YouTube is Aldon Panganiban Music Official PH. Sa TikTok at Aldon Panganiban. Sa Facebook naman, meron tayong Aldon Panganiban. So, please drop a like and please follow me. Thank you so much. Almost done with our goal, guys. 250, 15 followers to go, and we are getting our goal for the week. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Rose, hello sa iyo. Good evening. Magandang gabi. Alright, so guys, just to let you know, guys, just drop a word winner sa ating chat comments section so I can welcome you personally at para mabasa po natin ang inyong mga comments or request songs if there is. So I'm very hyped right now to spend the next few minutes with you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the live stream. So just hang on to it. I'm glad you're here and listening to the music. Thank you so much. Swift, hello. Welcome to the live stream. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig.